optic. So in optic we will check for, come on, visual acuity. Next, visual field, and we will check the inside the optic fundus and all using the fundoscopy. So visual acuity means what? Studying a small letters from far distance. Studying a small letters from far distance. If you can able to study the far very small letters, he is having more better visual acuity. For this, we will use Snell's chart. What is the chart? Snell's chart. In Snell's chart, we will have different sizes of letters. Starting with big, slowly it will come very small. Okay. Now, another thing here is, you have to ask the patient to look from a chart which is having pinhole. You know that? Hole. From the hole, he has to see that letters. Okay? You make the hole for a cardboard, hole, small hole. From the hole, he has to see the letters. Okay? Now, first ask him. So, generally, it will be 1 arm distance. Okay? Or it can be an wall mounted. So, you have to ask the person to see for the letters. Which letter he can able to see at what distance. Okay? If he is not able to see, now let it be he is seeing from 1 arm distance. Okay? This is small letters. Okay? So he is having good. Now, if a person can't able to do is study this small, only he can able to study big letters, means he is having some problem. So again you have to ask, get little closer, and I can ask him to study that. So this is the distance. This is his visual acuity. But better visual acuity means for able to see that small letters also better visual acuity. So that is about visual acuity. Okay. What is the next one? Visual field. So how will you check for visual field? You are having 2 visual fields, central and peripheral visual field. And again in peripheral, nasal, temporal. This is temporal. This is nasal. So eye is divided into 2 halves. Okay. So from here to here it is an temporal. From midline towards the nasal is nasal. Towards the nose. Okay. So how you are going to check here? Again a 1 arm distance. Okay. You have to move the finger. You have to move the finger without rotating the head, and you have to explain the patient that you should not rotate the head. With only moving eyes, you have to follow my finger. Okay? You able to see the finger or not? Okay? I'm sorry. He should not move the eyes. He should not move the eyes. Only you have to move the finger. He has to focus on your eyes. No moving of eyes. I'm sorry. No moving of eyes. He has to focus on your eyes. Can you come here? So here, this is an 1 arm distance. So he has to see on my eyes. Can you please concentrate on my eyes? Okay. Now I will move my finger. You tell me whether you can able to see it or not. First I am checking temporal visual field. Temporal. Lateral. Okay. I am starting in the middle. Can you able to see my finger? Can you able to see this? Look on my eyes. Don't move your eyes and head. Okay? Can you able to see my finger? Can you able to see my finger? Can you able? Now? 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 No. You have to see my. No problem. You just tell me. Now? 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 Hey, see on me. Can you able to see this? Now? 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 So up to here it is an temporal visual field. And how to check for nasal? You have to start in this. Okay? Otherwise keep this distance. Now look at my eyes. Can you able to see with this? No, just close your eyes. This side. Now. Can you able to see this? Now? 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 So this is the nasal. So you want to close one eye and you have to check the other eye while checking the nasal. Because nasal he can be able to see with the other eye. He can tell that I can see. So like that you have to check for peripheral visual field. So note down at what distance he is seeing and what distance he is seeing on this. So you have to correlate this temporal visual field of one side with the other side. And also nasal field with this side with other side. Close the eyes and check for the visual field. Okay? Understood? This is about visual fields. Okay, now if there is any blind spot, make it.